Hi, I'm Pete from Manus AI. For the past year, we've been quietly building what we believe is the next evolution in AI. And today, we're launching an early preview of Manus, the first general AI agent. This isn't just another chatbot or workflow. It's a truly autonomous agent that bridges the gap between conception and execution. While other AI stops at generating ideas, Manus delivers results. We see it as the next paradigm of human-machine collaboration, and potentially a glimpse into AGI.
Imagine an AI that doesn't wait for your commands, but actively thinks, plans, and executes tasks for you, completely on its own. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, this is exactly what Manus AI is trying to achieve. It's not just another chatbot, it's an autonomous AI agent that might just redefine the way we interact with technology. AI has come a long way. We started with simple rule-based systems, then moved to chatbots like Siri and Alexa, and eventually powerful models like ChatGPT and Cloud. But Manus AI is different. Instead of responding to prompts, it proactively works in the background, making decisions and taking action without needing constant input from you. But is it truly groundbreaking, or is it just an AI hype train? Let's break it down. So what exactly is Manus AI? Developed by Monica, a Chinese startup, Manus is an advanced AI autonomous agent. That means it can handle complex multi-step tasks entirely on its own, without needing the user to micromanage every step. Think of it like a digital assistant, but instead of you constantly guiding it, Manus figures things out on itself. It takes a task, analyzes what needs to be done, retrieves relevant information, and makes decisions along the way. Let's take a look at this. There's full autonomy with no constant human intervention, a multi-step task execution, persistent memory, and plus it's cloud-based, meaning that it works in the background and updates you when it's finished. So unlike ChatGPT or Gemini, which just simply responds to individual queries, Manus follows a 4-step process to complete tasks independently. So the first step is to understand the request. So, for example, let's assume that a user enters, "Find me the top 3 marketing strategies for my startup." First, Manus AI processes your request by analyzing its scope. Unlike chatbots that just answer in text, Manus determines what actions need to be taken. Next, it autonomously gathers information from the internet, existing documents, and databases, creating a structured action plan. Once this plan is set, Manus actually executes tasks, whether it's automating emails, setting up appointments, or compiling research reports. Finally, once the task is complete, Manus provides a summary or a full report, keeping you informed without requiring constant back and forth input. And of course, there are several real-world use cases where this could actually be implemented. For example, for entrepreneurs, where it automates market research, business, and strategy planning. Students like me, where you have to summarize paper and collect data. Travel event planners, helps with organization. And developers, it can even generate working code snippets and automate software processes. So for example, imagine being a startup founder or needing a full market analysis. Instead of spending hours researching, Manus AI does it all for you. Let's say you're planning a wedding. Manus can handle vendor bookings, guest lists, or even create a detailed schedule. Now let's take a look at some of the strengths and weaknesses of Manus AI. Some of the strengths include handling very complex multi-step tasks, working in the background, kind of like Jarvis from Iron Man, learning over time, which is a bit relevant to ChatGPT's memory system, and it saves you lots of time and effort. There are some limitations, such as accuracy issues, which is incorrect or outdated information, some overpromises, where it could struggle with some highly specialized tasks, or even privacy concern. Because this is a cloud-based AI, it raises a lot of security-based questions. But then again, these are very common limitations and it's not that significant. So considering all these strengths, which clearly outweigh the limitations, we can conclude that Manus AI is a really strong artificial intelligence. So while Manus AI is promising, it's not perfect. I've said it once and I've said it before, like any AI, it can still hallucinate, meaning that it might generate false information. And plus, since we did mention it operates autonomously, If it's not closely monitored, errors could go unnoticed. Despite this, Manus AI represents a new shift in AI development, where models aren't just answering questions but taking action. This could change industries, from automated business management to personal AI assistants replacing traditional workflows. So therefore, there is some potential for Manus AI to disrupt white-collar jobs. But that's pretty evident with pretty much every AI out there. But with great power comes great responsibility. Autonomous AI raises ethical and economic concerns. For example, what happens when an AI starts doing tasks better than humans? Could jobs be lost, or will it simply enhance human productivity? This is one of the many concerns that come, the topic of AI displacing human jobs. Right now, Manus AI is still in its early stages, but it's a glimpse into the future where AI doesn't just assist, it works for you. So, is Manus AI the next revolution in artificial intelligence? Or is it just another overhyped tool? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear, AI is becoming anonymous, and we're just getting started. So, what do you guys think about Manus AI? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do consider subscribing for more awesome AI videos. Thank you!